Potential recruit, you have been chosen to join the glorious IMF. Your mission, and you must accept this. You'll have to prove you've got what it takes by passing the Armed Services Vocational Aptitude Battery. Oh, and only the fastest recruits will be able to accomplish this IQ test before it self-destructs. I'm kidding. Let's go!
Under natural conditions, large quantities of organic matter decay after each year's plant growth has been completed. As a result of such conditions, A. Many animals are deprived of adequate food supplies. B. Soil erosion is accelerated. C. Soils maintain their fertility. D. Earthworms are added to the soil. Correct answer is C. When organic matter is decaying, it is decomposing into its constituent elements. These elements are returned to the soil, increasing its fertility. A syndicate owns 50 shares of stock worth $300,000 each. The corporation declares a dividend of 6% payable in stock. How many shares does the syndicate now own? A. 47 shares. B. 53 shares. C. 56 shares. D. 62 shares. Correct answer is B. The total value of 50 shares at $300,000 is the version. 6% payable in stock means 6% of 50 shares. 1% of 50 shares is 0.5 shares, so 6% is 3 more shares. 53 shares. Double most nearly means A. Almost. B. Half. C. Twice. D. More than. Correct answer is C. Double means twofold or twice as much. The ravages were terrible in America, Europe, and Asia. Towns were overthrown, forests uprooted, coasts devastated by the mountains of water which were precipitated on them. Vessels cast on the shore, whole districts leveled by waterspouts, several thousand people crushed on land or drowned at sea. Such were the traces of its fury left by this devastating tempest. What is the meaning of the word overthrown in the context of this passage? A. Surrendered. B. Devastated. C. Capitulated. D. Yielded. The correct answer is B. From the context of the passage, the word devastated best describes the way a storm or force of nature creates total destruction. A briefcase contains 20 vials. There are equal numbers of blue, green, red, and yellow vials. If one vial is chosen at random, what is the probability that it will be yellow? A. 1/2. B. 1/3. C. 1/4. D. 1/5. Correct answer is C. If there are 20 vials and there are equal amounts of each color, there would be 5 blue, 5 green, 5 red, and 5 yellow vials. The chance of drawing out a yellow vial would be number of yellow vials over total number of vials. This is 5 over 20, which is 1/4. The core of an electromagnet is usually made from A. Aluminium, B. Brass, C. Lead, D. Iron. The correct answer is D. Soft iron has the property of being easily magnetized or demagnetized. When the current is turned on in an electromagnet, it becomes magnetized. When the current is turned off, the iron loses its magnetism. Most automobile engines run according to the A. Rotary cycle, B. Intake exhaust cycle, C. 4-stroke cycle, D. 2-stroke cycle. The correct answer is C. The most popular engine has a 4-stroke cycle. The 4 cycles are intake, compression, power, and exhaust. Below is a diagram of a tower crane hoist. To lower the hook 10 meters, how many meters of hoist line will be wound off the hoist drum? A. 20 meters, B. 30 meters, C. 40 meters, D. 10 meters. The correct answer is B. Mechanical advantage ratio equals number of strands supporting load minus the strand where the force is applied. In our case, this is 4 minus 1, which is 3. MAR equals load over force, also equals distance force travels over distance load travels. Rearranging gives distance force travels equals MAR times distance load traveling is 3 times 10 meters, which is 30 meters. Which of the icons A to E is next in the sequence? The correct answer is C. The number of sides of the outer shape increases by 1. The inner shape has 1 fewer sides than the outer shape. The inner shape is the same shape and orientation as the previous outer shape. Shading alternates along the series. Congratulations, recruits! I never doubted you for well, that's not important at the moment. You have accomplished your impossible mission. Don't forget to click subscribe to get details of your next impossible mission test. What? You didn't expect the IMF recruitment test to be this difficult? This is mission impossible, not mission difficult. Mission difficult would be walking back for you.
hipages is the online platform that connects Australians with trusted tradies.